Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited because we'll be featuring a brand new development here in Biñan, Laguna that's very accessible to the South Luzon Expressway, Privado Home. Hi guys, I'm Arman Cruz. If you're new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell para ma-update ka whenever we release new house tours. We're also on social media. We're on Facebook and Instagram. And we're really excited to launch our newly finished website. So go to our website. It's liveinthesouthph.com. So today we're here in Biñan, Laguna, very near Southwoods exit here in Privado Homes, Barangay San Francisco, Biñan, Laguna, to feature their available modern upscale townhomes. Privado Homes is located in Barangay San Francisco, Biñan, Laguna, highly accessible to the South Luzon Expressway via the Southwoods exit. It has a total land area of 1.8 hectares with a total number of 104 units. It will come complete with your clubhouse, adult and kiddie pool, parks and playgrounds, and 24/7 security. Si Privado Homes din po ay very accessible at malapit po sa mga schools like Colegio San Agustin Biñan and St. Francis of Assisi College Biñan. Malapit din po siya sa mga malls like Southwoods Mall Biñan and Robinson's Galleria South San Pedro. It's also near hospitals like UniHealth Southwoods and Westlake Medical Center. Apart from that, malapit din po siya sa mga landmark dito sa Biñan, Laguna, namely ang Splash Island here in Biñan and ang Manila Southwoods Golf and Country Club. Privado Homes offers upscale townhouse units which is very high quality and masasabi ko ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. And today, in this video, we'll be featuring one of their model units, si Chesa Unit. It's a 3-bedroom modern townhouse na upscale na napakaganda with 2 toilet and bath and 1 carport. So ito pong nasa likod ko ngayon, ito po yung i-feature natin. This is their Chesa Unit. Ang minimum lot area po niya is 106 square meters and ang maximum lot area po na meron po tayo available dito sa Privado Homes is 143 square meters. Meron naman po siyang floor area or gross floor area of up to 106 square meters. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, may 1 carport, and meron tayong 2 lawn area. And we also have an area for your dirty kitchen. So tara, ikutin na po natin yung paligid or yung exterior part ng ating bahay. As you can see, ito po yung exterior design ng ating house. And you would notice, as compared to the other townhouses that I have featured in my YouTube channel, it's very upscale. As you look at the design, it's very modern, contemporary. Yung taas po natin, yung from our paint, all the way to our natural stone na nakakabit dito sa ating ground floor. Napakaganda po niya. And you also have your spandrel na nakakabit sa ating ceiling dito sa ating roof. So napakaganda po niya. And you would notice even the windows na ginamit po nila is one of the expensive type na mga aluminum sliding windows. So tara, samahan nyo ako. Let me just show you around dito sa ating exterior part ng ating property. So this is our property line. So from our property line all the way to a house, that's approximately 3 meters na agwat. Tapos dito sa unahan, we have a space here wherein you can have your own lawn or pwede nyo rin po siyang simentuhin. You can park your motorbikes. If you have bikes, you can also park it here. Tapos meron na rin tayong walkway na kasama. So on the other side of this property is our carport. Now upon turnover, ito pong carport natin is already cemented. So naka-design na rin po siya. And as you can see, sobrang haba po niya. Kasya po ang ating mga SUVs, ang ating mga pickups, and even our vans. Now, upon turnover, by the way, kasama rin po ang ating fence. Okay? So ito pong bakod natin is already included in the turnover regardless if it's an end unit or a corner unit. Or even an inner unit. By the way, ito po si Chesa, this is an end unit. So itong model na to, itong layout na to will be for all Chesa units na end. Now, as you can see here in our carport area, meron pa tayong space as we move further is for our lawn. Now, upon turnover, wala po tayong green grass and wala na rin po tayong mga plants dito sa side. This will be just bare. So, kayo na pong bahala if you will make this into an additional space for your parking, or pwede pong paglagyan ng inyong gamit, or you will make it into a lawn so that you can enjoy it with your family. Now, as you move further here, medyo pupunta tayo dito sa back part ng ating property. As you can see, kasama pa rin po ang ating fence. So, fence or gated na fence na po yung ating property. So, hindi nyo na po kailangan isipin. Ang isipin nyo lang is magpapagate po tayo. Now, here is our dirty kitchen or our laundry area. Hindi po kasama yung mga furnitures na nakikita nyo. Pero ito na po yung magiging itsura ng ating laundry or dirty kitchen dito sa likod. You already have your space here allotted for your laundry needs. Meron na po tayong drain, meron na rin tayong tiles. And then, pwede rin po tayo maglagay dito ng tables or pwede rin po tayo dito maglagay ng ating lutuan if you prefer cooking outside and ayaw nyo po mga moy sa loob ng bahay. Tapos na tayo dito sa labas. Pasok naman tayo sa loob. Before tayo pumasok sa loob ng ating bahay, let me just give you a disclaimer. This is actually a model house. Yung mga gamit dito hindi kasama, pero I will guide you through kung ano bang kasama sa actual turnover kapag nag-purchase or nag-invest kayo ng property dito sa Privado Homes. So as we enter, you'll be greeted by our solid door panel and then ito na po lever type ating pinto. And yung ating flooring, this is actually included in the turnover. So napakaganda niya. It will stay true to the theme na parang country lodge or modern type na country lodge yung ating design. So as we enter, we'll be greeted by our living area na napaka-spacious. So ito buong ground floor area is 45 square meters in space. So you have this whole space for your living area. As you can see, ang ganda ng pagkakadesign nila. So you have a full-size sofa na letter L, and then you have a small sofa here. Nagkalakapaglagay pa po sila ng sala set or table dito or center table dito. And you also have your 55-inch TV, and they also designed this. So dito sa ground floor, yung flooring natin is 60 by 60 porcelain or ceramic tiles. Now for our walls is painted off-white. Now, for our windows, and I would like to emphasize yung windows natin. Ang maganda dito, even though it's a townhouse, yung mga windows natin ang lalaki. So, you have this four glass panel na sliding window na napakalaki and napakaganda po ng ating design. So, sobrang luwag po niyan tignan and nagbibigay po siya ng enough natural light. Now, ang maganda rin po dito, yung ceiling pala natin, ang ceiling po natin, upon turnover, flat lang po siya. But the good news is, upon turnover, kasama na po natin yung mga LED lights natin dito. Now, right across our living area would be an access, ikot lang ako, going to the exterior part of the house, which is ito po yung ating sliding glass door. So ito po yung sliding glass door natin na may access tayo sa ating garage or ating carport and also sa ating lawn area. So maganda dito, it also gives you that enough sunlight na papasok. Now this is again is an end unit, so talaga magkakaroon po siya ng sliding glass door sa gilid. Now on to our dining and also our kitchen area. So this is our dining area. As you can see, ang ganda ng ating mga furnitures dito. I'm betting baka IKEA yung ginamit nila na furnitures. Again, yung ceiling po natin kasama ng LED lights, flat po siya. Tiles is the same, and kasyang-kasya po ang ating 6-seater, even our 4-seater dining table. If you're gonna place an 8-seater, baka pwede pa po siyang pagkasyahin. And ang maganda po dyan, nilagyan po siya na accent na magandang chandelier dito sa gitna to give you that feeling na sa dining area ka. Now, right beside our dining area would be our kitchen. Now, the good news, since this is an upscale townhouse or townhome, kasama na po yung nakikita natin na mga cabinets and also granite countertop. So these are cabinets already included in the turnover. So upon turnover, this is what you'll be getting, the same color, the same design, and even the granite countertop is already included in the turnover. Yung backsplash po natin, kasama na po yan. Tatanggalin na lang po natin yung mga furnitures natin. So this is talaga sulit po siya kasi bakit? You just need to move in. And mamaya, there are a lot of surprises because it's very seldom that we find na medyo medium-sized na developer that offers yung mga ino-offer nila ngayon. Like itong lights natin, itong mga bintana natin. Now, right beside our dining area and also kitchen area is the access going to the dirty kitchen na kanina pinakita ko ngayon. And also, beside naman sa access na yun will be the first bed, first toilet and bath of the house. Now, upon turnover, tiles is the same in the actual turnover. Yung even sa wall tiles natin, kasama na rin po natin yung towel rack natin dyan, toilet, yung ating sink, It's the same design, yung actual na nakita niyo design. Even the mirror is included. Ang hindi lang po kasama dyan, yung glass enclosure sa ating shower area. So tapos na tayo dito sa ground floor. Let me tour you around sa second floor natin. So welcome to the second floor. Before I proceed and show you around or tour you around dito sa second floor, can you comment down below what you like about this property? Ako personally, I really like the location. If you're looking for a halfway home to Metro Manila and in Laguna, this is the perfect one for you because it's highly accessible through the South Luzon Expressway via the Southwoods exit. So dito po sa second floor, we have 3 bedrooms and meron po tayong isang toilet and bath. Now, yung isang toilet and bath na yun, that is actually an ensuite toilet and bath for the master's bedroom. But let's begin with the first bedroom here on the second floor. This is actually at the size of 7 square meters. And maganda po dito, again, it stays through the theme. Ang laki ng ating windows gives you that enough ample lighting to give you that natural light during the day para makatipid ka din sa kuryente. Now, dito po sa ating bedroom na to, this is squarish in shape. Kasyang-kasya po at ni single bed. Naglagay po sila ng isang study desk area. And what's nice about this unit is, again, same sa ground floor. Kasama na po yung LED lighting natin. Now, I forgot to mention, dito sa second floor, ito pong tiles natin, from ceramic tiles to vinyl tiles na po yung gamit natin dito. And yung ceiling natin, lighting same na same sa ground floor. Now, what's nice about this is kasama po yung ating cabinet tree. So, ito pong cabinet na to is actually included in the turnover of the property once you purchase a unit here, di ba? Saan ka pa? Sobrang sulit. Very seldom do we find developers that offers units that is nakasama na po yung ating cabinet. So talagang kailangan nyo lang dito is lumipat, dalhin yung gamit nyo, magdala kayo ng mattress nyo, pwede na po yung tumira. Now, upon turnover, kasama na rin po yung ating window type na space or yung box or provision for our window type aircon. Let's proceed to the second bedroom. Slightly a little bit bigger compared to the first bedroom dito sa second floor. Kasya po ang ating single bed, double deck, or even our semi-double bed. Bakit? Kasi meron na rin po tayong mas malaking cabinet na kasama dito. So what's nice about this is, hindi niyo po kailangan mag-isip kung paano po yung cabinets nyo. They actually fitted out yung cabinets. This is actually included in the turnover. So hindi na po kailangan bumili ng cabinets. Kailangan nyo lang po dalhin yung gamit nyo. So, same size, same thing rin yung ginawa. Ang maganda lang dito, since this is an end unit, hindi lang po yung isa yung window natin dito. We have 2 windows here, and meron na po tayong provision for a window type aircon. By the way, para lang hindi kayo malito, yung ginagamit po natin dito na paint for the walls is wallpaper po siya. So, hindi siya paint. So, this is actually not included in the turnover. Ang turnover po talaga niya is off-white paint. So, let's proceed to the master's bedroom. Ito yung pinaka-exciting part na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo. Bakit? This is actually very seldom do we find a developer that offers at this price range ng ganitong specific. So, pasok. So, we have a very big size master's bedroom. Kasyang-kasya po ang ating queen size, king size bed. Even a bigger bed, and kasya pa po tayo maglagay ng isang study or office area wherein you can do your reading or you can do a little work before you sleep. And you have these 4 glass sliding windows that gives you ample lighting dito sa room natin. Now, as you can see, yung ceiling natin, hindi po ganyan uli yan, hindi yan naka-cove. It's just flat, but again, kasama na po yung ating LED lighting. And you know what I like about the master's bedroom? Lahat po ng master's bedroom dito sa Privado Homes, meron po tayong kasamang free split type air conditioning in the master's bedroom. I'm not really sure if it's 1 horsepower or 1.5 horsepower, pero lahat po ng mga units dito will come with your split type air conditioning. So sobrang sulit. Hindi nyo na kailangan po bumili ng air conditioning for your masters. Kapag bumili po kayo 2 bedrooms, isa na lang. Kapag 3 bedrooms, 2 na lang kailangan yung bilihin for the other rooms. Now, this is my favorite part about this model unit, itong Chesa. You have a very big size toilet and bath. So, same na same po siya sa baba. You have your toilet, you have your shower. Wala lang po, hindi po kasama yung ating glass enclosure. Yung ating sink, same na same. This is the actual turnover. You have cabinet dito sa baba. Tapos, meron na tayong faucet and then meron tayong sink. And you also have your mirror. Now, ang pinakamagandang part dito, if you're looking for a walk-in closet, This is one of the few developers that offers a unit with a walk-in closet. So, upon turnover, for the Chesa unit, meron na po tayong walk-in closet na kasama. Kasyang-kasya po yung mga gamit natin. So, very spacious. This is already included in turnover. Very maluwag po siya. You can even put a mirror here. So, napakaganda po niya. And kung medyo nasisikipan or nakukulangan ka pa dun sa ating closet space, you can actually put your own set of drawers and also cabinets here para mas marami kayong malagay na gamit. Again, meron po siyang LED lighting. Yung flooring po natin dito sa ating bathroom or ating closet, ating walk-in closet would be 60 by 60 ceramic tiles na color gray yung color niya. And maganda po dyan, sobrang luwag. Kahit lagay niyo po ng cabinet dito sa kabila, you still have a lot of room or space to move around. Pwede kayong maglagay rin ng mirror doon. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. Kindly comment down below what you like about this property. Ako personally, it's the location. Also, it's an upscale townhouse. It's just not your regular townhouse. Very good quality. And nakalimutan ko pala sabihin, yung partitions natin dito are not made of Hardiflex or gypsum board. These are cement or buhos po yung partitions natin dito. Kaya napakatibay ng townhouse na to. And ang maganda dito, it's very intimate. It's just 104 units. So if you're the type na gusto niyo lang maliit yung community, maganda yung accessibility niya, well, I would like to invite you to inquire from us. You can actually message us in our Facebook and also Instagram. You can also directly contact us in our WhatsApp, Viber, and also iMessage. Now, if you're not yet ready to purchase a property, you can join our Viber community. That's where we post our newly launched projects, mga promos, and also mga price increases ng mga properties na hawak namin. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!